Hold on. Because somebody try to open it up. You ready? Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean out my car prep for baby number 3. And plus I just need to clean my car out. So we about to go do that. So let's go. It's hot outside. I got the little we better go clean my car out. And I'm going to let them play while we're doing that. So let's go. Look at them. Go ahead, Leah. Come on. Come back this way, Lee. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Good job, Lee. Come on, Leah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. You don't want to ride no more? Come on, get on your back. Come on. Come on. Yes, get on. Get on. Yep, just like that. Come on. Good job. Now you gotta move your feet. Go. Whee! Ready, set, go. Go. Okay, I'm gonna give you a push. Go. Carefully. Go, mama, go. 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 Good job, mommy. Go, stick it, butt. Oh, you getting off? That's not how you ride. That's not how you ride. Y'all, I'm supposed to be in here cleaning up my car. It's too hot outside. It's 81 degrees. I think I'm going to try when it cools off a little bit. But then again, we got somewhere to be. So I guess I need to get this done as soon as possible. But it's too hot. It's way too hot. I'm sweating in places that I don't think I should be sweating. But let me show you what the car looks like, what needs to be done. Okay, so this is the trunk. All of this is trash. I try to take it to the Goodwill. They don't accept baby items like that, so I'm gonna just throw it in the trash. Let's go to the side of the car. Yeah, this is what it's like to be a mom. Okay, so we got all this. Lord, my car's so dirty. Look at that. All of that. Both car seats. I had to put up the third car seat. So this car seat is going back there. This one is going over here. Newborn car seat is going right here. Up to the front. Just gotta clean this up. Clean it up. This is what it looks like from here. Yep. And then I think I'm gonna wash it. Only because it got a bunch of spider webs on it. And I don't want no spiders in my car. Let me go in here. Oh, well, let me lock my door first. Alright, I'm gonna go in here, relax for a little bit because I was out here playing with the kids. They went back in the house. It's too hot. Chill for about 20 minutes. Maybe I just come clean it when they taking a nap. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Alright, back in the house. I hit you back when I get back outside. Alright, y'all. My kids are asleep. So I'm about to clean my car out. I was debating on going to the actual car wash or just doing it myself. It's a nice pretty day, so I'll just do it myself. Get a little water on me, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's what I'm about to do. Also, I'm gonna keep an eye out because my neighbor lost it all. So yeah, cute little dog. It's hot. My car is saying it's 90 degrees outside. It's only 85. Got my drink. Got my ice. About to clean this dirty car. One second. Alright. So like I was saying, about to clean my car. And yeah, I'm not really sure how to prop this up to record and clean. But we about to... I keep saying we. I'm about to figure it out. Bye.